screaming that whole time? Oh my gosh.
My ears hurt.
I did not think that was this ride.
What's up, guys? Guess what we're doing today? We're doing the Six Flags Ultimate Scavenger Hunt. That's right, the whole park. We got things to do, things to find. We got two teams. It's gonna be me, it's gonna be Liz, it's gonna be Isabella. Team 2, Brandy, Jetta, Rachel. Let the games begin.
Let's get started. These look crazy. These look absolutely crazy.
So, we have a bunch of things on our list that we have to do. Take a picture with a person wearing Crocs.
Okay, so guys, I did not believe it was gonna happen, but we just got off Tatsu and I saw some Crocs.
Behold.
What are those?
Pretend to ride a horse while dressed as a cowboy.
Howdy, little lady. Whip. We gonna whip. We whip. That's right. Ride the horse. Right. Get it on, girl. Get it. Get it.
Alright.
3. Find the door to paradise before the birds get out of their cage.
That's what they meant about before the birds get out.
Well, what about that?
Oh, it's the door to paradise! I actually don't think we're supposed to be in here. Oh my god.
There she goes. There she goes. You have fun down there, okay? You just go ahead and just run your little heart out. Number 4. Convince a ride operator to let you on a kid's ride that you are too tall for.
I know one thing. What's that? Tooth Fairy's real. If I had to say something about Santa, I'd say that's the guy that is for sure. I love being a kid. What if you're just large, 9 years old? What if I hold my breath the whole time and it won't break? I'll give you this. It's great. Relax. Relax. She really loves that umbrella. I do. I really want to give it away to anybody. Sure. There's a band-aid. Let me give you a band-aid. Ah! I'll use it for my broken heart. It was close, but not quite there. Oh, she like wants to follow the rules or whatever. Lame. We asked permission nicely, but we got on and it was way scarier than I thought it'd be.
Number 5.
That's probably you guys.
Find the old wizard's castle behind Sylvester. Perform a bad stand-up routine as a wizard. That's me. Is this thing on? What's the deal with wands? Am I right? Number 6. Pretend to be a Six Flags tour guide, but give a fake history lesson to a group of people.
But so basically, this town used to be a coal mining town, and then in 1980, yeah, and then before you knew it, oh my gosh, that's never gonna be a thing, Rachel. Want to know why they call it Six Flags?
No, go ahead.
I would like to know that also. Tour guide! Yes! I'm employed. Cactus that turn into roller coasters. Oh, Rachel, no one's buying that.
Alrighty, everybody, if you just walk this way, that's right. Good sir, would you like to join our tour group? Yeah, sure. Alrighty, come on in. So, Six Flags was originally founded in 1964.
Okay.
It was founded by a gentleman named Montgomery Nichols.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so Montgomery Nichols really enjoyed riding roller coasters, but felt that Southern California, and California in particular, didn't have the coasters that it needed, right?
I'm bored. Can you tell a different story?
Yes, absolutely. There once was a man from Mako, Mississippi that got to dancing, and then he got, yeah.
Why does it smell like poop right now?
Probably because I farted. So, just gonna keep on walking, everybody.
No, would you really?
Yes, I'm gonna go on Superman.
With that one. The
Just
one
shoot you straight up. Yes, I'm absolutely gonna do it.
You would do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sit here.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I'll
You're
try
gonna
the
do it.
turkey legs. I won't go on that.
Try the turkey legs. What rides can you ride, Isabella?
Ninja,
Okay.
Ninja,
Oh, yeah.
and Batman.
Okay.
Because you've never seen me and Batman in the same room together, so it's true. We have
That's true. Batman does
I tell you
have
something?
beautiful blonde swooping hair. Wait a second.
Wait a minute.
I could be Batman.
I'm Batman. Find the last troll of Six Flags before he enters the Sand Blaster. We're at the ride called Sand Blaster. Oh, I think I found him. You guys, there's a troll in a car. We found him.
Is that it?
Yeah. It's tiny. This is bonkers. Hey, pretend to be a celebrity. Get a stranger take a picture with you. That's totally her.
Wait, are you, Reckwell? Are you? I thought it was you, but I couldn't tell if the sunglasses were on. Oh my god, are you here alone?
Do you have any more autograph pictures? I have a lady that wants.
No, I don't. I ran out. Tell her she can follow me on.
Okay. So her daughter really likes it. So
Well, her daughter's gonna have to toughen up and wait. So
Okay.
it's not happening right now.
all right.
Is it okay if I take a picture with you? Yeah. This is honestly the best day of my life. Okay, thank you. Best day of my life.
I mean, I get it. Like, I'm famous, you know what I mean? It's just like people think that they can just come up to me all the time. So my eyes. Either bring your own picture or you can come up to me. Yeah, and the talkie. Oh, right now we should sing All Star while we ride a roller coaster.
Okay, let's do it.
Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the game on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. Oh my Did you hear Isabella screaming that whole time? Oh my gosh.
My ears hurt.
I did not think that was this ride.
10. Take a picture of a person on the other team without them seeing it.
Got them all. Got them all. Yeah.
We got the picture of them without them seeing us.
Holy crap! I got him! Yes!
I got y'all.
Dalton, I got it!
Oh my god, spotted. The paparazzis. Alright guys, number 11 on the list is bury a fidget spinner, which we have, and we found the perfect place to bury it.
Cool. Teamwork.
That's right.
Yes, we're
doing it. We're doing it as a team. You did really good. You were wonderful.
Goodbye. We'll never forget you.
Spin all the way. Amazing.
Oh, we have to do an X. No, I'm digging you a hole right here. We can use this.
We'll mark an X with this.
All right. X
marks the spot. Hopefully our future generations will treasure the fidget spinner.
Alright, one of the things on the list is make up a song and dance about Six Flags. I'm gonna sing, Brandy's gonna sing along, and Rachel here is gonna dance to it.
Six
Going to
Flags.
Six Flags, and you're gonna have a good time, a good old time, going to Six Flags.
If you feel like your life is a drag, you gotta head over to Six Flags.
Da, 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 da. Yeah!
You gotta get left side. The rides will pull you around like a dirty rag.
Thank you. Thank you. Perfect.
That's awesome.
I've had so much fun here at Six
Oh my
Flags
God.
playing the Scavenger.
This is the best day ever!
I hope you guys liked it too. If you want us to come back, let us know. Subscribe to our channel. I'm Liz.
I'm Dalton.
I'm Isabella. And we'll see you next time. Adios.